Which animal can glow in the dark? Firefly, squid, catfish, all of them. Which animal eats its own poop? Dog, panda, rabbit, cow. Which animal has both male and female organs? Catfish, snail, frog, rabbit. Which animal has ears inside its body? Snake, lizard, whale, crocodile. Which animal has no eyes? Bat, starfish, worm, all of them. Which animal has the longest lifespan? Elephant, blue whale, tortoise, Greenland shark. Which animal is called living fossil? Crocodile, whale, elephant, cat.